Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Southern Dirt. My name is Summer and today I'll be sharing some gardening gift ideas. Now all these ideas are products that I use in my own garden that I really love. I'll make sure to put the affiliate links, discount codes, Amazon links in the description below so you can find them. If you use those links, I do make a small commission on your order, which helps me put out more videos for you. And if you're new to the channel, I give gardening updates, tips, and tricks for the gardener. We have a food forest, and I absolutely have a passion for gardening. So I hope that you hit that like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. And if you have a gardening gift idea that I have not mentioned, make sure you drop that in the description below. So the first item on my gift is my #1 favorite gift in the garden to give, and it is the GreenStalk vertical garden. This product is made in America by a small family business. They come in 7 colors, so it adds a pop of color to your garden, and anybody can garden in this because you can grow all this food in just 2 square feet. So whether you have a patio or you have a large garden like myself, you can easily grow in it. It's great because it has all kinds of wonderful accessories, like you see these plant supports so you can grow large vegetables like tomato plants and peppers and not have to worry about them hanging over. It also has an option for an automatic watering system, which I absolutely love. It's a super game changer for me in the garden. So when we are gone on vacation, I don't have to worry about watering my garden. Over here is my salsa garden, and I absolutely love the pops of colors that I have in this garden. Right now, they have a Black Friday sale going on. So if you spend $75 or more, you get a free keychain. Also, you can get the tower right now, this particular one, for $99. Plus, you can stack my coupon code SD10 to save an extra $10. So right now is definitely the time to buy. Don't forget your accessories. They have great frost covers too, so you don't have to worry about covering a big area. You just throw the frost cover over, and I promise that anybody at any stage of gardening would absolutely love these GreenStalk vertical gardens. So here is a seed package storage bin that I found on Amazon. I actually came across it when I was looking for my own personal seed storage. I just loved the way it looked, how the text looked, how they have these little leather handles on it. Even though it doesn't hold a ton of seeds, for an average gardener, it certainly has plenty of room for many seed packets in here. So I think this is a great item for a beginner's gardener and a farmer. This just looks cute on a shelf. You can certainly store other things other than seeds in here. And I definitely recommend this product, and I will be keeping this for myself. So here's another gardening item that I use every day in the garden. It's Farmer's Defense hat. And they have all kinds of different colors to choose from and patterns. They also have matching sleeves. These help protect you from scratches and scuffs while you're harvesting in the garden, carrying hay, doing whatever you're doing outside. Also helps protect you from the sun. They have little thumb holes in them so you can pull them all the way up your arm. They're very comfortable, and I love the pattern options they have. Some other items I really like are the Rue Gardening Apron. It has a wonderful pocket here. You can harvest all kinds of fruit and vegetables. It has this little strap here where you can undo it and actually all your food comes out the bottom. That's a really great gift. They actually just came out with an apron with little egg pockets up top, so you can go and harvest your eggs, harvest your food, and you can fit it all in just one apron. They also have some really cute shirts. I love their plant lady design, and their shirts are super soft. And they also have this cute hat and mug. You can shop all their products right now. They have a 50% off BOGO sale for Black Friday. And if you're shopping off the Black Friday sale, you can also save an extra 10% with my code SD10. So here's another seed storage organization item I found on Amazon, which I absolutely love. I was looking for my own personal seed storage organization, and this is one of my top picks. I love it because of how it came packaged. So it's just perfect. Look how lovely that is. And the inside, you can hold over 200 seed packets. It's like a little photo album here where you can kind of put your seed packets in there. It also has little tabs where you can organize all of your seeds. It has a when to plant area here with information. It also has all kinds of cool homemade insecticides. There's also a moon calendar in here. There's all kinds of really great information that you can find in this seed storage organization binder. So I highly recommend this product to an inspiring gardener, farmer, or experienced gardener because it does have room to grow. There's lots of learning tips, and I just absolutely love the beauty of it. I will be using this for my personal seed storage. So here is another affiliated product that I absolutely love. It's called Click and Grow Indoor Garden. What's great about this is it has a light bar that provides 12 hours of light, so you can grow your food quicker indoors. And it's super easy because all your pods come pre-loaded with seeds and all the nutrients for the growing season. So all I have to do is put water into my Click and Grow and watch it grow. Anybody can grow out of the Click and Grow garden. And another gardening gift that I recommend are the Vego garden beds. These have a 20-year warranty. I'm on my second year of owning them. They're absolutely beautiful. They have a reflective coating on the outside, and they have a food grade USDA award-winning material on the inside, so it doesn't seep into your beautiful organic garden. So these come in multiple colors. Right now they are on sale site-wide. A lot of the savings you can find are 60% off. You can actually save an extra 5% on the 17 9-in-1 if you use my code, and I will put that code in the description below. So here is an early Christmas present to myself. These are new in my garden. I have been doing a lot of research on gardening trellises, specifically for my tomatoes, and I'm really happy with this. It's a powder-coated heavy metal trellis, and it definitely adds some fancy aesthetics to the garden. I love them. They're functional. And they're going to last for a really long time because they are powder coated and heavy metal. They're not really that expensive, and I think for their Black Friday, they're actually less than what I purchased them for. So I'll make sure to drop that link in the description below. All right, here's another great gardening gift. This is a retractable hose reel, and my husband actually purchased this for me about 1.5 years ago, and I absolutely love it. He couldn't stand seeing my hoses all over the garden. I couldn't stand reeling it up and hanging it up. So this is so wonderful. The nozzle is really great too. It has all kinds of different spray nozzles options, and all you have to do is take it as long as you want it, and then you just slowly retract, and it stays exactly where you want it. It's so nice. It's just easy. You just pull back, and it winds it up for you. So this gift a gardener would happily receive, and I will put the Amazon link in the description below. So here is one of my absolute favorite gardening books. It's called Devotions from the Garden, Finding Peace and Rest from Your Hurried Life. And I don't know about y'all, but that's how I feel my life is. I actually first listened to this on Audible, and I loved it so much that I actually bought the book. I wanted to read it again and have it in my library. So whenever I read my Bible in the morning, I actually have this sitting by my Bible, and I will read a devotion throughout. I've been posting a lot of pictures of this book on Instagram because I think it's just a beautiful book. I love it so much. Even if you're not a Christian, this is a great introduction. We have a Bible verse, we talk about the blessings of the garden, and then we have a prayer at the end. So I highly recommend this book. The pictures are beautiful, and I'll have that link in the description below. Here's an item I highly recommend. These are Xtra Tuf Boots. I purchased these back in 2020 when we went out to Alaska with our family. I have gone through so many gardening boots, and these are the only boots that have lasted. I also like these because they have all these different inner colors, so when you can actually fold them down short or halfway. So I actually wear these when we travel. If we are going hiking, these boots are so comfortable. I can still look stylish if I pull these down, or I can wear them up high. They go with any color outfit. I actually love the new fireweed. I'll put the link to those in the description below, but they're really pretty flowers that are on here, so you can not only have good quality boots in the garden, but they can be fashionable, and I promise any gardener would love to receive the boots, and they would definitely use them. So here's another book I highly recommend. This is called The Forager's Guide to Wild Foods. This book shows you all the wild berries and mushrooms and herbs that you can eat, and it also goes by region. So if you're traveling like we do a lot, I love to open the book and go, hey kids, let's look for these berries. Let's look for these mushrooms. And this is such a great learning experience for the family, not only to get out into the woods and look for some of these things, but the fact that it gives you all the benefits to each one of these herbs, flowers, berries, mushrooms that you can find in the wild. So I'm pretty amazed at how many things are out there. This is a great gift for anybody, really, not just specifically gardener, but you never know when there's going to be a day where we might need to forage for our food. It's a great book, and I highly recommend it. So here's another gardening book that I highly recommend. This is one of the first gardening books I ever read when I first started gardening. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and everybody was all over the place on like what to do and how to do it. This really just made sense of everything. So this book I definitely recommend. There's all kinds of information, and it just really spells it out on how to garden, how to start small and move along. So I definitely recommend this, and I hope you guys will add this to your Christmas list. I would say this would be a perfect stocking stuffer. This is the Artline's garden marker. And when I discovered these, this is all the markers that I'll use for my marking my garden tags in the garden, and the reason why is because they do not fade like a Sharpie would. So typically by the end of the season, a Sharpie will fade, and the good thing about these markers is they will last multiple seasons. I haven't even had a tag in the ground yet that has worn this marker. So these are really great. You can get them in 4-packs. That's what I recently bought. This is a great inexpensive item for your aspiring gardener. So my next gift idea is a harvesting knife. Now this was given to me by my stepson and his girlfriend, and since I've been using it, I absolutely love it, and I cannot believe that I haven't had one of these since I began gardening. So this is a really nice knife. As you can see, it's serrated halfway through. You can easily break up soil with this, harvest lettuce, pretty much harvest anything that you wouldn't need pruners for. It also comes in this nice little case that you can clip it onto your belt or into your apron. So I really like that. It's very useful. And of course, a good set of pruners would be great. I go through pruners quite often because I don't take care of them like I should, but I do like Friskars. This is what I've been using since I've been gardening. They're just easy to find. You can find them at any local store, and they're just a great product. We actually have large pruners to tiny pruners, and this is just a perfect pocket pruner. I have these in my car. We have them in the garden. We have them in the house, and I have plenty of these. This is actually what I use in my workshops when I used to do them, to go into our food forest to take cuttings. So they work really well, easy to use, and they're not expensive. So here is another great gift for the gardener. These are reusable seed trays. These are from Burpee. I ordered these and I've been using them for about 3 seasons now. I really like them because they are reusable. They have a bottom where you can fill it with water. They also can be used for like a little greenhouse. They're really easy to pop your seedlings out. It's got this little rubber at the bottom, makes it so easy. They're way better than your typical industry seed trays that you find in the store that break and don't last very long. So I definitely think this is a great addition to any level of gardening. I found these seed trays on Amazon, and I will put that link in the description below. So here's another gardening book that I recommend. It is a devotional book for the crazy plant ladies playing in the dirt. I like this book because it's a little smaller than most devotional books, and it fits in my little console in my car. So this one travels with me in the car when I'm waiting on kids, between practices and whatnot. It's just a real nice, easy read, very contemporary, and I love this book. Super fun. Definitely has little sayings throughout it, and I really like this. And I hope you guys check it out, and I'll have that link to this product in the description below. Here's another item I've been using in the garden the last couple years. It's called a seed spacer. So basically you take this and punch it in the ground where you want to plant your seeds, and it makes the perfect amount of holes that you need. This is great for gardening with kids, because you can go ahead and just poke the holes in the ground, and you can tell them to put the seeds in the holes, and definitely you're going to have a straighter, nicer garden. You're not going to have to think about having to measure. Each of these is, I think it's like an inch apart, so if it's 2 inches, you skip every other one. It's really nice, it's functional, and it's sturdy. Definitely lasts for a long time, and I recommend this product. So here's another book I recommend. This is Guide to Florida Fruit and Vegetable Gardening. This is where I live. If you live in a different area, you certainly can look for any kind of book that is specific to your state, maybe your gardening zone. I really like this book because no matter what I'm planting in the garden, if I ever have any issues, I can just turn to the particular vegetable I'm growing or fruit, and it kind of tells me when to plant, where to plant, how to plant, and care and maintenance, things to look for. Every item that I can grow here in my state of Florida is in this book. I really like it. It's great for any level of gardening, and definitely recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful in any way, please make sure you give it a like, share it with your friends, and comment below if you have any questions. I hope that you guys have a nice Thanksgiving, and you guys can use any of these codes that I put in the description below throughout the year. It doesn't have to be during this year. If you're watching this video years forward, those links will still work and you'll still get those discounts. So thank you again. We'll see you in the next video.